Hello students, let us do one question of exercise 7.3. Question number 6. Let us do second part. Exercise 7.3. Question number 6. I am going to do second part. It is 6 upon 7 is equal to 18 upon this we have to find. Let us assume it x. And then this we have to find. Let us assume it y upon 35. Now what we will do? First of all, we will take first and second. So 6 upon 7 is equal to 18 upon x. Let us cross multiply it. 6 into x will give you 6x is equal to 7 into 18. Now x from here will become 7 into 18 divided by 6. With this 6 you cut and x is coming out to be 21. So the value of x is 21. Now what we will do? Now let us take first and third. That is 6 upon 7 is equal to y upon 35. Again we will cross multiply. 7 into y will give you 7y and 6 into 35 will be 6 into 35. Now we will have to find y. Y will be 6 into 35 and this 7 will come in the denominator. 7 5s are 35 and y is coming out to be 6 5s are 30. So these are the values of these unknowns x and y. So now it will become 6 upon 7 is equal to 18 upon x is 21 is equal to y is 30 upon 35. So it is the answer of this question. Now let us do few questions of exercise 7.4. But before this so almost these questions I have covered, previous questions I have covered. So now we will do question number 2, and in question number 2 I will do 3-4 parts. So question number 2 is about the simplest form. Simplest form or the smaller standard form is same thing. What we will do in simplest form, we will take out the common from the numerator and denominator and we will cut it. Let us take the third part, 27 upon 64. It is exercise 7.4 and question number 2. Which of the following fractions are in the simplest form? So let us take third part, and third part is 27 upon 64. What we will do? We will make its prime factors. 3 into 3 into 3, and that of 64 will be 2 6 times. Now if you see, nothing is common between a numerator and a denominator. So when nothing is common, then it is in a simplest form. And if we can cut anything, then it is not in the simplest form. Let us take now question number same question, 6th part. It is 18 upon 35. Factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and that of 35 are 5 into 7. Again, if you see, we cannot cut anything from the numerator and denominator. So here it is in simplest form. It is in simplest form and it is also in the simplest form. It is also in simplest form. Why in simplest form? Because we cannot cut anything. Now let us take 7th part. 7th part is 4 upon 26. 4 upon 26, factors are 2 and 2, and that of denominator are 2 into 13. Now here we can cut 2 and 2. It means if something is common between a numerator and a denominator, then 4 upon 26 is not in a simplest form. So we will write it is not in simplest form. It is not in simplest form. Why it is not in simplest form? Because 2 was common in a numerator and a denominator. Now let us do question number 3. First part, it is you have to convert it in the lowest form. Lowest form. Lowest form means if something is common, you will cut it, you will take it out. So let us take question number 3, first part. First part is 10 upon 12. Factors of 10 are 2 into 5 and that of 12 are 2 into 3 into 2 or 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 and 2 will cancel and it is coming out to be 5 upon 6. Now 5 upon 6 is the simplest form of this question. So thank you.